So I'm Sharon Rodillo. I work for Fetzer Vineyards. My title is Maintenance Planning Specialist. However, I do so much more. We focus on just keeping our company running, from a maintenance standpoint. I mean, MVP has been such a great help for our company, and I think the cost, when we first went out to bid, we got quotes from 3 different companies, and MVP being one of them. We were blown away by the inexpensive, and I don't want to downsell it, but it was very, very inexpensive compared to the competitors. And it does probably the same or more. I think for the main part, we were pretty reactive instead of proactive. And MVP has allowed us to be more proactive so that we can, not everything is an emergency. They've brought ideas to the table, maybe we should do this now that we have this platform. So I think that it's been night and day for us. I think that it's allowed us to, open up new areas and get lots of feedback, and it's just, I think it's helped our company as a whole.